day 3 in the Philippines, and we are currently at the Mall of Asia. And I have a Facebook message because free Wi-Fi. Hi, Mom. Hi. Why are you not talking?
Oh, you think about don't pick mine.
Why? No, you're so beautiful.
I'm sleepy.
It's okay, so am I. We've done some shopping. I've been to Forever 21. Then we went to Marks and Spencer, which randomly is here, and the Gap. And now we're gonna find a SIM card for my mom, and then we're gonna just walk around, I guess, and then wait for my other cousins to join us from work, and then we're gonna eat dinner. Yay! Hopefully not as big as last time because we ate a lot, and people are staring at me because I'm vlogging, but that's okay. And also because I have a foreign accent, but I don't care. I'm gonna go back to shopping, and yeah.
You doing a selfie?
Luga. Something in Chinese. My turn to film you now, Mom.
Okay, and now we blow my hand. You're paying today.
That'll be the day.
You want me to shout my battle cry here?
No. We'll get kicked out.
Gonna do it later. Where? Outside.
Where? In the car park?
This side.
Yes, we are here. We're gonna eat because some of us did a lot of shopping. Others did work. Others actually went and did something productive with their day.
No, not really.
Pretty. Sorry, random Filipino people. That were in 13 back in 2010. Get excited. Ooh, the Dairy Queen. We have to get a number, but oh my god, it looks amazing. I'm really excited. We're not going to Jollibee. This is the most important thing.
Shut up.
I'm so excited. This is the best thing that's happened. Yeah, we just start here. We will queue. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I want to get the Oreo Blizzard.
You want?
They've got the Oreo Blizzard.
Medium?
Yeah, medium.
Okay, let's go.
Look at it. This is my Blizzard. And you can do this. Oh my god. No, that's what she did. She like flipped it around. Yeah. Set up. Don't pull down my dress. We just next time.
No, just like that.
Yeah, look, there's Chowking, my favorite. Not the Filipino store, but actual like Chinese food. Because there's a Filipino store in Paramount called Chowking. But
Let's eat the chowking, eat chicharap. I can
Flowers.
shout my battle cry.
oh god, we'll get kicked out for sure. Big what?
In the place. Remove my voice from the stupid.
Your voice can never be removed. Shut up. Everyone who's anyone knows Mom's voice. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna eat my Blizzard. Yay!
Turn here.
What's that?
Trees.
No, what's this vibe?
Have a look at the Filipino traffic. It's Masihirap. Why can't you do an Australian accent? Do it.
Because I'm from Nigeria.
Go. So don't do.
My name is.
How offensive is that going to be?
Can you repeat my name? Very good. You know, when we go to Ilocos, I'll be wearing only this one, huh? You will be seeing the whole of me. The whole package, from my toenails, from my head. Okay, stop it. You have to pay me for my
PF.
services.
Yeah, that's town fee. Where's my talent fee? Look at Polly. Hello. What's she eating? And there's Becky. And Miriam is somewhere. I don't know where she is. Somewhere. What? Ano? Ano ba?
Walang bayan ng Isabela. Lamit ako sa Batangas. Sa Batangas mo kami.
Yeah, that's it.
Of the back.
Sumama t-shirt.
Yung sumunod na bayan ng pagkatapos na Santa Fe.
Oh, you're so cute. Miriam. Otherwise known as Miriam.
Maganda pa yung mga luma eh.
Look here.
Lalo na yung balloon fight.
Hello, pretty princess. You're so cute. Oh.
Bunti yung undershirt ko, bigyan na. Okay, let's turn I guess, magko-compensate na yun.
She's always looking at herself.
Binalik ko lang para...
You're nasty. Mom is watching today's vlog,
Para magtuloy-tuloy yung ano yung...
showing everyone what we did yesterday. Look at all the food. Thank God we're on holiday. I already said it. Thank God we're on